after 1 minute. My camera just effect an unknown. Energy, my camera just blur, glitching. There's something dark, like big black birds, hidden at the trees. Folklore creature dika, the black goblin. After chasing the folklore creature dika, the black goblin disappeared. There's something at the bamboo tree dark bird, lurking hidden or watching. Art of image, mythology creature. The STRIX were also associated with vampires due to the facts the creatures were believed to feast on human flesh and blood. AkA the Black Goblin, a toil or goblin, or dika is an undead infant in Indonesian and Malay folklore. It also appears in the various other mythologies of Southeast Asia and is typically invoked as a helper by shamans.